of 11306 on Norwegian Epic. As you open the door, we have a card for the lights and our light switches. As soon as you walk in, there is this curtain that goes across to block off the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in to the room, the shower in our room is located on the left. So we have our shower on the left here. They provide body wash and shampoo. And on the right, with this sliding door, is the toilet. And on the other side of this curtain here, we have the sink, hand washing sink, and lots of storage here. We have storage here and some outlets for shavers only. Some more shelves and storage here. Some hooks to hang towels. And just underneath the sink vanity area, we have some towels. We have a little bin here, garbage. Lots of storage in here. 3 good-sized drawers. We have a hair dryer and all of our outlets just underneath here. So we have the American outlets there and the European outlets here. Also have a nice stool for getting ready. A large mirror. Under here, we have a little mini fridge here, which they have provided some water with. More storage. We have a TV and another shelf here. And we have 2 beds. This time our beds are separated. They must have known that we needed a break from each other. We've slept together for way too many nights.
I forgot that we would have them separated.
Yes. You can ask your room attendants to either move your beds together or separate them, but we just figured there's no point for us. Doesn't really matter, but it's nice that they are already separated for us. And then as we turn around here, we have a nice large closet. We have a safe here, some more shelving, and even more shelving, some baskets. We also have lots of hangers. If you do need more hangers, you can always ask your stateroom attendant and they will bring you more. And a full-size mirror as one of the closet doors. So it's perfect for us, lots of room.
Very nice and clean and updated.
Yes. So absolutely beautiful.
Very happy with it.
Our home for the next 7 nights.
And this is completely new to us, having this curtain with the shower and the washroom kind of separate, and I think we will really like it.
Yes,
as you know, cruise rooms are not large, so doing things like this will definitely help utilize all the space.
Yeah, and we never really spend a lot of time in our room anyways, so as soon as we get our luggage, we will unpack and then probably head out and explore the ship after that. So thank you for watching our ship tour of an inside cabin on Norwegian Epic, room 11306.